Hey team, welcome back to Spec. Today we're at a Queensland Raceway and we're going to take the car around the track. Now this isn't a brekkie lap, this is a proper time attack. Yep, that was a Porsche. This is a proper time attack race session. So we got the timer on and we're going to see how quick we can go. So I've been out here previously with my GS, but now it's time to see how quick the old Mark 1 can go. For those of you that have been following along, first of all, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me out. But like I've said previously, I've taken the GS out to Queensland Raceway. So when they run time attack, they don't actually run the national circuit like the supercars do. They run two abridged versions. So we run the Clubman and the Sprint. So on the Clubman previously, I'd done a 1:03.5, and on the Sprint, I'd done a 1:07. So the difference between the GS and the Mustang is the GS, I spent 3 years of development, settings, changes, upgrades, where the Mustang, all I've done is slap on the tyres. And they're like the original tyres from when the car was delivered. I didn't want to run on the 20s. So yeah, I just took the Mustang, put the wheels on, and out she went. So they run 3 sessions on each track, and each session you get about 5 laps. So this is my fastest lap of the first session. So I'm catching this BMW and I thought they were letting me through, but then halfway through the corner I realised they're having a spray going off on the track. So we've both come down the main straight and I've backed off a little bit here because I knew that they weren't going to let me through. Now the next time we came through turn 6, there was even a bigger spray. So I thought I was fast. It felt really good, the car felt good, brakes felt good, everything, tyres were good. But then when I looked at the times, I was slower. I was slower than what I'd done previously in the GS. So I knew I was being a little bit soft under brakes because I was taking it a bit easy because I hadn't been out for a while. But I knew the next session I had to go hard and I had to go faster. And that's what I did. The next session, lap after lap after lap after lap, quicker. And then the last session, the last lap came and 1.6. That's 1.9 seconds faster than I'd previously gone in the GS. So now it's time to change to the sprint. So if I use the same sort of methodology, I thought that I could drop into a 58-second range. So on the first lap of the first session, it was already quicker than GS, and it just got quicker and quicker and quicker. Now by the end of the second session, I'd set a 59.1. So then, like last time, the final lap of the final session, it was on. No, I went slower. 59.4. Yeah, so with no real setup and just slapping tyres on it, it was 1.9 seconds faster on the Clubman and 1.6 seconds faster on the Sprint. Next time I think I'll go a different tyre setup. I'm thinking handling package sizes and some geometry changes to see how quick we can really go. Anyway, that's about it for now. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just remember, there's more to going fast than going fast. I'll catch you next time.